In this video, I want to show you the best site to download weather and climate data, how to sign up to that site and be able to access their weather and climate data. So to do that, open your browser and open a new tab. So here, search for Visual Crossing and press enter. So this is the name of the site, Visual Crossing. Visual Crossing Weather is the easiest to use and lowest cost source for historical and forecast weather data. So click on this first link to go to the home page of the site. So this is the home page of the site where you can download data from. But today I want to show you how to sign up into this site so that you will be able to use their site to download data. So to do that, come to this sign up and click on sign up. This will bring this page where you need to enter your email account. So here, enter your email account. After you enter your email address, then click on continue. A validation code will be sent to your email. So let's check our email. So this is it. A verification code has been sent. So click to open it and you can see the code. So copy the code. Then go back there and enter the validation code we just copied. Then click on continue. Then here you need to enter your password that you'll be using. Then re-enter the password to confirm it. Then click on continue. Here you need to agree to the terms and conditions. So check this box and click on continue. So here you need to describe what you are hoping to achieve. So let's just say downloading of weather data. So here I've just described what I hope to achieve, which is downloading of weather and climate data. So you have to click on create accounts. Click. You can see that my account has been created successfully. You can see welcome to Weather Query Builder. Design, preview and view weather data for free. You can then download the data as a CSV, Excel or JSON file. Alternatively, you can switch to the API view to see the weather API query. So this is how to sign up to this site and be able to download weather data. So let's just click on close. So here you can see weather data. If you come here, you can see the weather data. You can see a whole lot of weather data here. And you can download weather data, whether daily, hourly, and so forth. So this is a fantastic site where you can download weather data. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to download data from here directly. So this one is how to sign up. The next video will be how to download data. Thank you for watching.